Hi, beautiful souls. Do you want to start your week on the right foot? Then why don't we do a full Reiki reset together? If you're ready, close your eyes and make yourself comfortable. Now, if it's safe to do so, gently close your eyes. We're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for 1, 2, 3. And then exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, in through your nose, filling your lungs with beautiful fresh air. Hold for 1, 2, 3, then slowly release. And just feel those tensions washing away as you do. Now one more time, deep breath in. Try to push that air all the way down to your belly. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and then slowly let it out your mouth, feeling your whole body soften. Now imagine a golden light shining down from above, wrapping gently around you. This is the light of Reiki, pure, healing, radiant, and here for you. Notice how it streams down like a warm sunbeam, touching your head, your shoulders, flowing down your arms and chest, through your belly, your legs, all the way down to your toes. This golden light flows through every cell of your body. It then expands outwards, surrounding you in a protective glow. As it flows, it releases any old energies you've been carrying from last week, or even longer. Allow it to release the stress or worry you may be holding for the week ahead. Allow it to release any guilt or shame you have from previous days or periods in your life. You don't have to carry that any longer. Allow the Reiki energy to release it now. And allow it to release any attachment or burdens that are not yours to carry. With each breath out, notice the heaviness melting away. The golden light continues to shine down on you, and it clears, purifies, and restores your energy, while also bringing in the Reiki energy. Now imagine that you're sitting in a meadow filled with wild flowers. The golden Reiki light shines down like the morning sun, touching the petals, making them glow with color. Breathe in the fresh scent of wildflowers, the sweetness of the earth. Feel that connection, the connection to the earth, the plants, the animal kingdom. You are connected to all of that. And as you breathe out, release into the soil beneath you. Let the earth hold and compost anything that no longer serves you. Just feel it leaving your body, your aura, your soul now. See the Reiki light weaving through the meadow, through each flower and each blade of grass, connecting with all life, connecting with you. And now see this energy flowing through your ancestral lines, bringing healing backwards and forward in time. And the light continues moving through your relationship cords, softening tension, releasing what no longer serves, and restoring balance. Just allow yourself to bask in this beautiful light now. As the space opens within you, new energy flows in. Self-love fills your heart like a blooming flower. Purpose steadies your steps, guiding your week. Ease settles into your body, releasing resistance and any attachment to struggle. And clarity shines like sunlight, illuminating your path. Allow yourself just to feel in this moment all of those beautiful energies moving through you. You are lighter, you are clearer, you are grounded and renewed. We take a moment now for gratitude. Gratitude for the golden Reiki light that surrounds us, that moves through us, that heals us and guides us. Gratitude for the earth, the wildflowers, and all the nature that supports us. Gratitude for the Dragonfly community, for each other, and for the opportunity to connect in this way. And gratitude for whatever comes to us this week, trusting that it's all happening for us, not to us. Now take one last deep breath in through your nose. Hold for the count of 3. And exhale fully, releasing and returning to the present moment. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this golden light with you into the week ahead. May you begin this week with self-love, purpose, ease, and clarity. And remember, you're never alone. The light is always with you, and you're fully connected to all living things around you.